Hello everyone, it's 7th April. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have Supreme Court denies Bengal's plea to delay locking of poll rolls. Then we have Iran Intel chief killed as Trump's deadline to open Strait looms. Then we have road stretch built by NHAI encroached upon wetland, says NGT. Moving forward we have Court denies relief to airport staffer booked for harassing Korean women. Then we have 518 out of 697 lakes in Jammu and Kashmir either vanished or shrunk, says CAG report. Moving forward, we have Pinarayi says polls promise fulfilled, baseless claim, counter Sheshan. Then we have re-verified 279 rejected postal ballots in Sringeri orders High Court. Then we have stick to rules, stay off illegal routes, forest officials urge trekkers. Then we have Supreme Court refused to interfere with environmental nod to Kerala's Kozhikode Wayanad tunnel project. Again, very important for infrastructure as well as development perspective. Moving forward, we have reinforcing the case of One Health approach. Then we have standing for medical science together with AIIMS. Then we have what TB reveals about India's urban health system. All these things are very important for health perspective. Moving forward, we have our students ready for CBSE AI push, again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have understanding India's internet censorship regime. Then we have from myths to language, examining the renaming of Kerala. Moving forward, we have Supreme Court directs CBI probe to contracts awarded to Pema Khandu's family. Then we have PM Modi hails BJP workers battling hostile conditions. Then we have it may not be an overwhelming win, but Congress is clearly ahead in Kerala. Moving forward, we have new Bangladesh-India ties will avoid mistakes of past. Again, very important for international issues perspective. Then we have 3 authors pulled up by Supreme Court over NCRT chapter Sikh hearing. Moving forward, we have automobile dealers turn constructively cautious as war rages. Then we have 16 India flagged vessels in Persian Gulf, 2 LPG vessels en route India. Moving forward, we have the Deep Tech Summit. Then the government semiconductor mission will promote research. Future will be built through collaboration, says expert. Industry looks at a short-term, academia at the long-term. Then we have commercial viability key to deep tech investment, says expert. Then we have youngsters must take up challenges, says Junjunwala. Then we have CSR initiatives must focus on high-impact projects. All these things are very important for science and tech perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Strait of Hormuz will never return to its old status, says IRGC. Then we have Trump says Iran could be taken out in one night. Then we have Lebanon says Israeli strikes hit southern region, Beirut. Then we have Israel hits key petrochemical terminals in Iran's south parts. And lastly, we have US lawmakers from blockade in Cuba visit. All these things are very important for international perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.